Over 80% of people say brand reputation decides what they buy. Yet the data, real owner data from Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and 400,000 plus verified drivers, show something brutal. Some of the biggest names on the road are quietly destroying their owners' wallets, time, and nerves. Today, I'm counting down all 25 major brands from absolute worst to the one that's basically bulletproof. One brand that sells millions every year came dead last. Another luxury name will cost you more in repairs than the car payments.
Costly fixes.
And the brand that just took number one will probably shock you.
Safety and
Watch
comfort.
until the end, because if you skip around, you'll probably fall in love with the wrong one. Let's start with the brand that has no business being on American roads in 2025. Number 25, Fiat. Fiat. 1.2 million sold worldwide last year, but in the US, it's the single lowest scoring brand in Consumer Reports history. Average repair before 30,000 miles, electrical fires, engines that grenade themselves, and a resale value that drops 60% in 3 years. It's cute for exactly one summer, then it becomes someone else's nightmare. Number 24, Jeep. The poster child for looks tough, feels broken. Consumer Reports gave Jeep a 46 out of 100, dead last again. Wranglers and Grand Cherokees spend more time on a lift than on a trail. One owner told me his check engine light has been on so long he uses it as mood lighting. Number 23, Dodge. 0 to 60 in 5 seconds and 0 to shop in 5 months. Muscle car vibes can't hide the fact that Dodge ranks bottom 3 in every dependability study. When your Hellcat needs a $4,000 transmission at 18,000 miles, the joke's on you. Number 22, Land Rover. The official car of I make too much money to care if it works. 268 problems per 100 vehicles, 40% worse than average. A Range Rover that spends half its life in the service bay is still a Range Rover, parked in the service bay. Number 21, Maserati. Italian styling, Italian electrical gremlins. Average repair bill, $3,800 every single time it breaks. And it will. You're not buying a car, you're renting drama. Number 20, Jaguar. Once the sexiest badge on the road, now the most expensive. $1,300 annual repairs, and they're literally discontinuing most models because nobody trusts them anymore. Number 19, Nissan. The Japanese brand that forgot how to build Japanese cars. CVTs that explode, engines that eat themselves, resale that evaporates. Nissan used to mean bulletproof. Now it means buy the extended warranty or cry. Number 18, Kia. 10-year warranty sounds amazing until you realize they need it. 3.2 million engines recalled for catching fire, some while parked. They've gotten stylish, but style doesn't put out engine fires. Number 17, Infiniti. Nissan's luxury brand managed to be even less reliable than regular Nissan. 45% depreciation in 3 years, and transmissions that fail at 60K. Infinite problems, finite patience. Number 16, Chevrolet. America's love-hate relationship. Silverado and Tahoe can be tanks if you dodge the bad transmissions. But the Equinox, Trax, and anything with the old 8-speed, total roulette. Number 15, Tesla. The future is here, along with panel gaps you can fit a sandwich through and $20,000 battery replacements outside warranty. Coolest car on the road until the touchscreen freezes in a snowstorm. Number 14, Volkswagen. Fun until the warranty expires, then the real party starts. Timing chains, carbon buildup, DSG transmissions that cost more to fix than the car is worth. Dieselgate was just the warm-up act. Number 13, Ford. F-150 has been America's bestseller for 48 years straight, somehow. 10-speed transmissions that jerk like a teenager learning stick, and EcoBoost engines that lunch turbos. Ford builds icons and then finds new ways to break them. And here's where the air changes. Everything below this line is at least pretty good. Everything above this line is playing repair shop lottery. Number 12, Mazda. The first brand that actually feels honest. Drives like a sports car, lasts like a Camry, costs $462 a year to maintain. Zoom that doesn't zoom you straight to the poorhouse. Number 11, Mercedes-Benz. Stunning for 36 months, terrifying after 30. Air suspension leaks, electronics that speak only German swear words, and $3,000 brake jobs. Lease one, love it, hand the keys back before reality hits. Number 10, Acura. Honda's luxury kid that never quite grew up. Bulletproof powertrains, interiors stuck in 2015, and a touchpad that everyone hates. Reliable, comfortable, forgettable. And that's okay. Number 9. Hyundai. Punchline to top 10 in a decade. 10-year warranty they rarely have to honor anymore because the cars actually work. The glow-up of the century. Number 8. Audi. Quattro grip, interiors from the future, and, shockingly, more reliable than BMW or Mercedes now. Just don't buy one with 90,000 miles unless you hate money. Number 7. BMW. Ultimate driving machine, ultimate repair bill. When it runs, nothing feels better. When it doesn't, nothing hurts worse. Buy with your heart, pay with your 401k. Number 6. Porsche. Proof Germans can build fast and reliable if you're willing to pay the entry fee. A 911 that needs nothing but gas and tires for 100,000 miles is real. So is the $800 oil change. Number 5. Buick. Yes, really. Quieter than Lexus, cheaper to run than Camry, and currently the third most dependable brand in America. Your grandpa was onto something. Number 4. Honda. Boring in the very best way. Civics and CR-Vs hitting 300,000 miles like it's nothing. Even their mistakes, 1.5T oil dilution, get fixed fast and under warranty. Honda doesn't break, it just keeps going. Number 3. Lexus. The king of set-it-and-forget-it luxury. RX that hit 400,000 miles with original hybrid battery. ES that still looks new at 15 years. Perfection wrapped in beige. Number 2. Subaru. Consumer Reports just named Subaru the #1 overall brand in 2024, above Toyota. Standard AWD, bulletproof boxer engines, safety scores off the charts. The only thing louder than the CVT drone is the resale value. Number 1. Toyota. Was there ever any doubt? Corolla best-selling car in history for a reason. 4Runner will outlive your grandchildren. Prius and RAV4 hybrid, scoring 98 and 99 out of 100 in reliability tests. Toyota doesn't build excitement, they build forever. And right now, forever is exactly what most brands are terrified of giving you. There's your 2025 ranking. No sponsorships, no brand deals, just the cold data. If you're about to spend $30,000 to $100,000 on a car, do yourself a favor. Save this video, share it with anyone car shopping, and whatever you do, don't let nostalgia or a cool commercial talk you into the wrong one. Drop your biggest shock in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want the 13 car brands that are legitimately about to disappear forever, that video is already up. Link in the description and pinned comment.